Alright, then maiden number 2 after the second rebuild. Had to do a bit of modifications. You can't see underneath, but let's see what happens. Well, she's up. Shit! No response. No bloody response. So we've got a signal mishap. Bloody hell. I've took all the servos again after bloody rebuild, and that's happened again. Won't responding. I checked them though. So somewhat's happened. So once again, this time not pilot error. Well, depends which way you look at it. Obviously I missed somewhat when I rebuilt it. Don't know what though. So let's go find out. Oh hell. Done it again. Wings. Bloody thing. Right, let's get it over and get the battery off. Another prop bust. Well, this time I'm not 100% sure what happened. I can only assume when I put it back together again I've done something wrong. But obviously before flying I checked the servos, elevators, rudder, everything. But obviously I missed something because she did not want to fly. Hello pilots and ground crew. Well, you've just seen what happened after me rebuild of the rebuild. So the first flight, gyro, which you saw in the last video in part 1, even though it was more like part 3 or whatever. But the gyro fixed the problem, and then in that last video, which I call part 1, completely utterly pilot error, doing that loop way too low to the ground. That was completely my fault, and I know everyone will agree. But I've rebuilt it again, put her back together, and as you just saw in that video, she went up great and then just plummeted out of the sky. And for the life of me I couldn't figure it out, but I did figure it out. And once again, hands up, completely and utterly my fault. When I put her back together again, I checked everything at the field before taking off. I'd done all my checks, checked the elevator, the servo, the rudder, did all my spot checks, did everything. But what I didn't notice was the control horn on the elevator had come loose. It was a little bit loose. And the second I took off with full flaps, she went up great, but that horn for controlling the elevator had popped off, so I had no elevator at all. So the second she took off, the second I dropped flaps, or raised flaps I should say, she just plummeted because I had no control of the elevator. So that is my fault, but at the same time, that's just one of them bloody things. Like I say, the horn had just come loose. But thanks for watching. There will be a part 3 because I'm going to put it back together again and we're off again and see what happens. If you've got them, cross them. Thanks for watching, and I hope I gave you a laugh. Cheers.